Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to karaoke in Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where you can go ahead and log into your account. So if you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where you can see all the trending videos, you can see the posts by other users and so on. So let's go ahead and see how do you do karaoke. Basically, the first thing you want to do is click the plus button right here, the bottom part of the screen in the middle. That's going to open up this new page right here. In this page, we can get started with either importing a file, we can either record our voice or audio, and so on. So basically, guys, what you want to do first is go ahead and import your sound file, the music that you want to sing over. So click the import file, and after importing it, guys, it's going to open it up in your studio. That's going to look like this. This is going to be our sound file right here. So now, guys, what we can do is do the following. If you see this big red circle at the bottom of the screen, this is the record button. So once you click this, guys, this is going to go ahead and get started playing your track, as you can see, and everything you talk and everything you say is going to be recorded over the track as a new track. So you can use this, guys, to record yourself singing over your track, or you can use the plus button right here under the track and you can click voice and audio and you can get start recording yourself without the music. So like that, you can go ahead and sing and it's going to be recorded, and you can just put those two together and it's going to be like you have sung over the music and it's going to be karaoke. So yeah guys, that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.